When they poured the foundation for the house, they cast a well house. It's underneath the front porch. That's where the pump is. The pump is no longer in service. We're now on city water. To shut off the water to the house, that main valve there, the yellow ball valve, I need to shut that off. The easiest way to drain the water lines is to open the bleeder valve on the filter. Now I'm going to go upstairs in the kitchen and open up the water line up there. That'll bleed out the kitchen lines. And I'm also going to open up the lines in both bathrooms. That'll drain out all the water in the lines so that when I take the line off in the bathroom, I won't bleed out. That's the sound of the water being bled back out of the lines. That's air entering the lines. I'm going to get a lot of gurgling when I turn the water back on. Now we repeat the process in the kitchen. Now with the water bled out of the lines, I can pull these lines and put the valves on. Rather than fighting with these lines, I'm just going to whip them off of there. Homie, don't play those games. These are designed as downstream replacement valves. Most sinks have a 90-degree valve right here, and occasionally those valves will go bad. And this is designed to take the place of that valve by just allowing you to split the line above it and then put that in. But I don't have a valve in there to start with, so I'm just going to use these as originals. There. Now close that valve off. That's a 1/4 turn valve. Picked them up at Menards. They were $9.99 each. Saves splitting the lines in the basement. Now there's another task that I have to do, which involves splitting the line in the basement. I have a valve down there that needs to be replaced, but it's not necessary for this part of the job. These fittings have a cone-shaped brass piece on the inside that acts just like that ferrule. Goes in, swedges down into the hole, and seals off the line. Now, since I'm just taking this sink out, and we're going to replace it with a vanity and a sink. Those valves will be down inside the vanity. They didn't really need to be chromed, but they look nice. Now I'm also going to pull off the sink drain, the P-trap. I'm not going to remove it completely. I'm going to leave the P, this part, in place. I'm just going to pull that ring so that I can take the sink off the wall. Now with any luck, I'll be able to just spin this right off. If not, I'm going to saw it. I'm not going to monkey with it. Because this P-trap is not going to be there when I'm done. I don't know if I'm going to be able to lift this sink off of there or not. That remains to be seen. With that removed and drained, I'm going to spin it back on and fill it with water, because that acts as a gas trap and keeps sewer gases from coming up from the septic system. As soon as I complete this part of the task, I can stand up and go turn the water back on again. Okay. If I've done everything right, I won't have any leaks. If I haven't, I could have a mess. Success! Tops of the valves are dry. Looks like I got it. If you'd like to find out what happens at the end of this project, why not subscribe? And don't forget to click the notification button. That'll let you know when the next video is coming up. But they're on a schedule. Monday through Friday at noon, Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.